Best car shampoos remove dirt gently, protect paint, and deliver a streak-free, glossy finish, enhancing your vehicle's appearance. My today's video is about top 5 best car shampoos for streak-free shine that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Armor All Car Wash Kit. The Armor All Exterior Bundle is a complete solution for keeping your vehicle's exterior spotless and protected. At its core is the Ultra Shine Wash and Wax, formulated with a proprietary blend of cleaning agents, surface lubricants, and real carnauba wax. This ensures grime, dust, and road debris are safely removed while leaving a deep, glossy shine that lasts. The included Noodle Tech Car Wash Mitt takes cleaning to the next level. Its microfiber noodles gently lift dirt without scratching your paint, making every wash safer and more effective than traditional sponges or cloths. After washing, the microfiber drying towel quickly absorbs water, leaving the surface streak-free and ready to impress. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want a reliable wash routine, this bundle combines convenience, protection, and high-quality results. From lifting dirt to delivering a polished finish, every component is designed to make car care effortless while maintaining your vehicle's showroom shine. Now our second product is Panda's Professional Detail Products Pearl Auto Shampoo. The Pearl Car Shampoo from the Rennie Doyle Double Black Collection is a premium wash that delivers professional-level results while being gentle on both your car and the environment. Its high-foaming, ultra-slick formula produces thick, luxurious suds that cling to your vehicle, lifting dirt and grime safely without scratching paint. Compatible with hand mitts, foam cannons, or pressure washers, it ensures a smooth, swirl-free clean every time. Formulated to be pH-balanced and biodegradable, Pearl won't strip wax, sealants, or ceramic coatings, making it ideal for enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. It's also safe on your hands, preventing dryness or irritation during washes. Adding a touch of luxury, the shampoo carries a refreshing lemon scent, turning every wash into a sensory experience while leaving your car gleaming. Trusted by detailers for decades, Pearl combines expert back performance, environmental responsibility, and ease of use, ensuring your vehicle always looks its best with a durable, streak-free shine. Our third product is Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap. The Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap, CWS_402_16SW, is a top-tier choice for anyone seeking a safe, effective, and enjoyable car wash. Known for its thick foaming action, this formula produces rich, luxurious suds that encapsulate dirt and grime, reducing the risk of scratches while providing maximum lubrication. Perfect for foam cannons, foam blasters, or traditional bucket washes, it ensures every surface, from paint and glass to wheels and trim, comes out spotless and glossy. Its pH-balanced formula protects wax, sealants, and ceramic coatings, making it safe for all exterior finishes, including plastics and trim. Versatile enough for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs, Mr. Pink delivers professional-grade results whether at home or in detailing shops. Enthusiasts love it for consistent, swirl-free shine, while the iconic candy scent adds a fun, sweet fragrance to every wash. Trusted by pros and beginners alike, this shampoo makes car care effortless, leaving your vehicle looking fresh, glossy, and smelling amazing every time. Now number 4, Magic Finish Car Wash Soap. The Magic Finish Foaming Car Wash Soap delivers a premium car washing experience, combining cleaning power with gentle care. Its ultra-sudsing formula produces thick, rich foam that lifts grime, dirt, and road film efficiently, whether you're using a bucket or foam cannon. Designed to be pH-balanced and finish-friendly, it cleans thoroughly without stripping wax, sealants, or protective coatings, keeping your paint safe while removing stubborn contaminants. The high lubricity suds ensure scratch-free washes, reducing friction and swirl marks for a smoother, safer detailing process. Rinsing is effortless. This soap leaves no hazy film or water spots, providing a clear, glossy finish while cutting down rinse time. Beyond performance, it adds a sensory touch with a refreshing apple scent, making every wash enjoyable and invigorating. Perfect for enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Magic Finish transforms routine car care into a satisfying, professional-grade experience, keeping vehicles looking pristine, polished, and smelling wonderfully fresh every time. And our last choice is Miguiar's Gold Class Car Wash. The Miguiar's Gold Class Foaming Car Wash is a professional-grade car shampoo that combines cleaning and conditioning in one step, making car care faster, easier, and more effective. Its advanced formula lifts dirt, road grime, and contaminants while preserving any existing wax or protective coatings, ensuring your paint stays safe and glossy. The ultra-rich paint conditioners restore radiance to dull or faded finishes, leaving surfaces looking renewed, deep, and ready for car show-level shine. Compatible with buckets or foam cannons, it delivers versatile, professional-quality results whether you're washing by hand or using a foam gun. Just dilute 5:1 for optimal suds. Beyond performance, the soap is biodegradable and eco-friendly, giving you a clean you can feel good about. Trusted by enthusiasts and professionals alike, Miguiar's 125 years of expertise shine through every wash, providing unmatched reliability. With Gold Class, your vehicle not only looks immaculate, but also maintains long-lasting protection and a flawless, mirror-like finish. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.